1 to fix Destiny 2 crashing or not launching on PS4, PS5, especially with error code CE-34878-0. Fix Destiny 2 not launching CE-44878-0 on PS4 and PS5. Step 1. Restart your console. Turn off your PS4, PS5 completely. Don't just put it in rest mode. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Turn it back on and try launching Destiny 2. Step 2. Update Destiny 2 and system software. Go to Settings, System Software, System Software Update. Update if any are available. Also go to Destiny 2 on the home screen, press Options, check for update. Step 3. Clear cache power cycle. Turn off the PS4, PS5 completely. Unplug the power cord from the back for 2 minutes. Plug it back in and power it on. This clears temporary corrupt cache that might cause crashes. Step 4. Rebuild database safe mode. 1. Turn off the console. 2. Hold the power button until you hear a second beep, about 7 seconds. 3. Connect the controller with USB and press PS button. 4. Select Rebuild Database. This does not delete your data. Step 5. Restore licenses. Go to Settings, Users and Accounts, Other, Restore Licenses. Then try launching Destiny 2 again. Step 6. Delete and reinstall Destiny 2 if crash persists. Go to Destiny 2 on the home screen, press Options, Delete. Reinstall from your game library or disk. This ensures all corrupted data is removed. Step 7. Use a different user profile, optional. Try launching Destiny 2 from a different PSN profile to see if the error is account-based. Step 8. Factory reset, last resort, only if none of the above work. Backup saves to the cloud/USB. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, reset your console. Let me know your